Good morning, dears. So, last class we completed up to page number 41 in Geography lesson 4 Agriculture, isn't it? So, today I am going to continue with page number 42 in the same lesson. We completed till the topic commercial farming. We saw about the types of farming. In types of farming, we saw subsistence farming and commercial farming. So, till commercial farming, we stopped the last class. So today I am going to start with the next topic. It is in page number 42, plantations, major crops. Okay, these are all the topics we are going to see today. So plantations is nothing but planting the plants or trees, whatever it is, for the purpose of their earning. Okay, that is plantation or the type of commercial farming. We have so many methods in plantations. Most probably in India we will use only manual power for planting, but in almost most over the countries, all over the countries, they are using machineries for planting. Okay, so major plantations are found in tropical region of the world. So tropical region only we will get more rainfall. So in such case there will be more number of plantations, like rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples. So these are all the plants which are mainly cultivated in these countries for earning purpose. That means commercial farming. So next one is major crops. Now we are going to see what are all the major crops we are cultivating in our country. So you all know India is an agriculture country, isn't it? So first we will see about rice, and not only in India, we are going to see all over the world. So rice, wheat, millet, maize, cotton, coffee, jute, tea. So these are all the main major plants we are going to see now. So rice, in which are all the countries rice has been cultivated often is China leads the production of rice, followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. So all over the world, if you compare, the cultivation of rice is most probably done in China. China leads the first place in cultivation of rice, and following China, India, Japan and Sri Lanka, Egypt are cultivating rice in a major portion. So next, wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature. For wheat we no need more water, and the cultivating areas are USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. India is also most wanted for wheat, because mostly how in South India often we are using main dish as rice. Likewise in North India the main dish is considered to be wheat, like chapati, roti, parota and etc. Okay, next millets. What is meant by millets? It is not actually a main grain, it is a coarse grain. Okay, coarse grain means it is a sub grain. Instead of the main dishes we can use this type of grains. Okay, so it need a fertile sandy soil, then only the growth of the millets will be nice. And the places where we have is the names of millets, it's jowar, bajra, ragi are grown in India, and other countries are Nigeria, China and Niger. Okay, so these are all the countries the millets have been used often. So nowadays what the pediatricians and the dietitians advise the people to often take millets at least twice or thrice in a week instead of the daily grains. Okay, instead of rice, wheat and etc., we have to often use millets for our food. That is very very healthy and it gives more energy for our routine life. Okay, so next we will see about maize. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and lots of sunshine. So maize is grown often in more sunny area, and it needs well drained fertile soil. There must be a dry area, and the places where it has been grown is America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. So next one is cotton. Cotton is one of the most important plant when comparing other plants, because all the things have been done by means of cotton, like our clothes, cloth materials, whatever it is we use. Okay, even cotton tinctures we are using in hospitals, isn't it? Everything has been made by means of cotton, so this is considered to be a major plant in our country. So cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall. It need only little amount of water, no need to pour more water, and 210 free days, and so most probably a year we have to spend for growing of cotton. So it need a alluvial soil, and the places grown are China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil, Egypt, and leading producer of cotton. So these countries are the leading producer of cotton. So next one is jute. Jute is considered to be the golden fiber, and it grows well in alluvial soil. This crop is grown in the tropical area, and India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. Next one is coffee. When comparable to tea, coffee is one of the most competitive product for tea. So the production of coffee is most probably done in Brazil, leading producer, followed by Colombia and India. So next one is tea. India is one of the most producer of tea. Wherever you go for the hilly areas, like even in Tamil Nadu, like Ooty, Kodaikanal, and whichever area outside that also, if it a hilly area, you can see so many tea plants there. So India is one of the most producer of tea. So tea is a beverage crop grown on plantations. So the producers of tea crops are Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka produces the best quality tea in the world. Okay, next topic we are going to see is agricultural development. What is mean by development? What are all the developments we had till now? Before, when agriculture in previous years and all, only human resources needed for that, but nowadays we have so many inventions for the purpose of agriculture. Like for plantation we are having so many machines, for plucking we are having so many machines, for sparkling, watering, and all purpose we are having so many machineries nowadays. Even for pesticides, for that purpose also nowadays we are using so many small equipments, even like drones. You know what is mean by drones? You know what is this and what for it is used, and nowadays in agriculture field also drone has been used for the purpose of throwing out of pesticides. Okay, next, a farm in India. So there is a small village Adilabad in Ghazipur district of Uttar Pradesh. Moonalal is the small there is a small story given what kind of a farm is we are having in India. And not only in India, all other throughout the world, agriculture is considered to be the main source of work, because without agriculture we can't do anything else. Even for if we want to survive along, we need food, water, and etc. For that purpose we should continue the form of agricultures. And if they have shown some pictures, and we can see some difference there. If you see Indian agriculture, only human were working, and agriculture fields are like that. If you see USA, if you see the field, it is different, and the farming method is also different. They are using some small flights, drones and everything for their watering purpose, pesticide purpose, and seeding purpose. Okay, so and so with this I hope this lesson has been completed. And see, you can think that I am not giving any homework for revising, or before days and all when I am putting videos. See, I am not able to take a live class from school because I don't get signal here directly. If I need to take a live class, I have to go out of the school. For that purpose only I am posting these videos. But nowadays, except few members, nobody is replying. First start replying, then only I will be able to know whether you are looking at this video or not. Your exams are coming soon, so don't waste your time. Start revising again and again. If today this lesson has been completed, so you can start revising, you can start searching the answers. Okay, ma? Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this, you can contact me in the group.